Omu rukiiko rwa kanso ya district ya Hoima orushitamire Kansingo ceeyamaani wa district owatooriinwe ahiireyo amazina g'abantu abarikwenda kukora nabo aha kakiiko akakuru aka district. Omuri aba harimu John Kwemara owayesimbireho hamwe omu karuru ka NRM owahiire obwa vice chairman. Ogu ba kansara bamwanjire kandi Kenneth Kolecha ori kansara w'eminyeeto niwe ahiireyo ekiteeso.
Honorable Speaker, I pray that you permit me lay on table the pictorial piece of evidence to further prove Honorable Kwemara has become important.
And you want to mess up with him, you will be held responsible. You always perform duties where there is no council. So this district is in your hands. Actually, you are the government. I think I'm right if I say you are the government.
Kanso ni yemwe eyanjire Jackson Mulindambura owabire yatooriinwe kuba ow'ebyamashaarura kandi ogu bagize ngu nihoroya ahereze kumusingisa orubanja rw'okupangisa bya goreda bya gavumenti omuri Kiryandongo atiine rusa.
They are saying that Kwemara left council of Kigorovya sub-county in 2017 before completing it. I was not a councillor by then. I served Kigorovya 2005 to 2011, and in 2011 October, I'm forgetting the date, I even signed a very important document that divided the sub-counties of Kigorovya.
Of course, as we come to serve here, we don't have houses around. We sleep in guest houses. So when I slept in the guest house, there is a report to that effect that was reported to police in 2017.
Usuma Kadir Junior arikugambaho omukanso omurundi gw'okubanza kwiha yaba ceeyamaani atandikira kwetombwitira abari kumutiinisiriza.
Azimizira entaro zembaire ninihira habwokuba osobola otya kwanga Honorable Mulindambura ngu habwokuba ino musango mu kooti okayikiriza Honorable Kumakechi kuba committee head kandi nawe yabaire musango nigwogo.
Akasayininga bakafujinga minati batwara greda za Hoima district Kiryandongo Kaduku hawe sente za iboni binde sente zabo nk'abantu abameba badeki na late chairman kirungi kadiri bakukusa pikipiki greda zaitu tutamanyire
twacyenchura abantu benye n'abahikire abatukura ekyamari gege tukwetaga obuhereza obwike mu mutwe hansi kandi ngani ngambira abantu ba hansi tujja kuongera kugenda mu maiso no kucyenchura district ni kwikera akaterekerera.
RDC wa Hoima Rogers Mbabazi ahawire kansoeji okurekeraho entaro zabo ezibabire bine omukaruru ngo bakorera abantu.
The cooperation that we are so far showing is what is causing the already development that we have in the district.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.